I'm Annie.
And I'm Kathy.
And we're the Thrive Life Sisters. We're going to do a fun little refreshing treat, and it's called
Froyo
Drops.
Frozen yogurt. And we're going to do it with our Ruvi. So we just took some Greek yogurt.
Plain Greek yogurt, no sugar added.
And we're going to add the Ruvi powder of fruits and vegetables in there.
I have to say I really like the red one. It's got all these, the red it's beautiful. It's good for you too.
We're going to add a little bit of stevia. I can't really tell how much that is.
Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to place it in the Ziploc bag, and then we're going to, sorry, I'm going to finish mixing it.
You can't do and talk at the same time.
No, it is an issue. Okay, so we're going to pop it in. And we're going to be squirting out little round circular drops. And then we're going to throw them in the freezer, freeze them up, and then they'll be, let's try to do them without the hat. Well, if they're little drops like that, then they'll all sit nice.
You make them hatless.
Oh, look at that one. It's amazing.
The first one you did had a hat. Ah. That's so funny.
But these will be great once they're frozen.
Who cares what they look like? They taste good.
Okay, my hand's getting numb.
And this is what we've got. The really easy, quick little snack that you could throw into a bag and just have a little refreshing treat on a hot day.
All it was yogurt, a little bit of stevia, and our Ruvi, our active Ruvi. And that's it. So if you have any other suggestions or something that you've done with our Ruvi as a quick little snack, then comment below. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up.
And subscribe and ring your notification bell so that you can be notified every time we post a new video. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can do this too.